Festool has made itself a renowned brand in the world of tools, especially when it comes to woodworking. They always strive to make carpenters' jobs easier. So in this video, we've enlisted some new cool Festool tools you need to see for woodworking. Let's start with a powerful bench-mounted circular saw for a variety of cutting projects. The best thing about this tool is it has an innovative saw stop technology that immediately stops cutting when it detects any contact with skin. Yep, this circular saw automatically stops when your hand gets closer to its blade, providing the ultimate safety in class. Plus, it has up to 80 miter of cutting height, and the few splinters maintain clean cutting when making miter rip cuts. And the expandable work surface allows you to deal with bigger workpieces. Cut with confidence, keeping invaluable hands safe. Here is the best hammer drill Festool has ever made. First thing first, the Quad-Drive TPC provides pure power with a 4-speed gearbox so that you can choose the right gear for every application. It's built for speed and durability, offers unrivaled versatility, and comes in a surprisingly compact, controllable design. On top of that, it supports a wide range of drill attachments so you don't have to worry about doing multiple tasks at once. Another pro feature of this tool is the kickback stop, which lets you operate with absolute safety and no risk of wrist twisting. The perfect combination of convenience, power, and versatility. With this cordless Capex Jigsaw, you'll achieve the highest precision of cuts every time. It allows you to tackle the most demanding applications with its robust design and great versatility. With the soft grip handle of this saw, you can avoid slipping issues and minimize laborious reworkings. Not just that, this revolutionary jigsaw will allow you to take advantage of the toolless base change platform, keeping you highly productive all day long. This jigsaw also provides automatic blade guidance that lets you cut straight and true cuts on every job. You can also adjust a dust hose to keep your project clean as much as possible. Nice. Oh, you need a quality tool to handle all the rough and tough cuttings? This Festool Plunge Cut Saw stands out with the favorable kickback stop and eliminates the risks of injury where other saws fail. This saw is twice as fast and offers full power like the cords, but without the cords. With the new generation of saw blades, you'll get the maximum cutting performance and perfect cutting quality. Plus, you can set the cutting angle for a wide array of cuts. High power, considerable durability, and utmost precision, all in your hand. A lot of tradespersons don't want to carry those big bulky drivers with them. So here's a compact powerhouse that comes in a robust design and offers intelligent power. Yep, this TID 18 impact driver may look tiny, but works great. Thanks to its tangential hammer mechanism, it allows you to strike in the direction of rotation. Aside from that, you can drive screws with no reverse torque, and the 3 variable speeds let you control the screwdriver as your job demands. It reaches all the confined corners where a regular driver can't go. This is a tool that will stand the test of time. When it comes to choosing a circular saw, the first thing you look for is versatility and cutting capacity. This Festool HKC 55 comes with a detachable FSK cross-cutting guide rail, providing you the freedom to work without cables wherever and whenever you want. This circular saw has a lightweight design and ergonomic shape that stands for unrestricted mobility when working. With a powerful motor and great cutting capacity, it ensures impressive performance from job to job. Oh, you have some angle cutting in hand? No problem. It's perfect for repeated angled cuts. Achieve the best result having full freedom in mind. Straight to the point. Cordless sanders are the best way to complete any wood project because you'll get absolute mobility and greater freedom while dealing with the toughest sanding jobs. These Festool compact sanders are powerful, robust, and long-lasting. Whether you need to sand in a tight space or over your head, these sanders will tackle them easily with their cordless appearance and handy design. Each sander supports a durable dust collection bag that saves you from annoying dust. Another feature worth mentioning, these sanders come with protectors for scuff-free sanding. Okay, you need something to screw on the wall perfectly? Pick the Festool Duradrive DWC-18 and handle them all. Aside from being so lightweight and handy, it's fast enough to keep you productive through the busiest hours. Now, all your jobs will be done with minimal effort. Even the overhead screwing won't be a hassle. Another cool thing that we need to mention, you can quickly disperse each part of the driver for quick and easy cleaning. Regarding driving power and durability, this Festool DWC-18 Drywall Screwdriver will stand by your side with facilities you can't neglect. Next is an even more desired tool for all the professional tradespersons out there. This is the Festool Capex Miter Saw, a precision cut specialist that allows you to cut accurately. Surprisingly enough, it takes a little space around your job site, but plays a big role in projects. Oh, the laser guide is great for safety. It's obvious you don't want to touch the blades while operating. And with the great dust extraction process, this miter saw will change the game of all indoor cutting projects. The flip stops on the fences of the tool increase production speed more than you think. Every cut will be the same as the first. These Festool Domino Connectors let you break through the limits of shop-built pieces and on-site construction. Yep, these knockdown fasteners allow you to build or finish full-size constructed pieces, assemble quickly, move, and disassemble with only a hex wrench. With the use of knockdown hardware, these fasteners work with the Domino XL joiner and help you to create flat or corner joints. Plus, you'll easily get simple and quick connections with the corner and flat connectors without any complex measuring. So, that was the list of the new cool Festool tools for woodworking you need to see. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.